Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 GMC Sierra. Stock number is 17F1288B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have the Z71 off-road package on here. Rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a GM bed liner here, keeping the bed very safe, and a soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, dual climate control, and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.